This is the simple step on how you can link this bar back to this base in seconds. So stay with me. Let me show you how you can do it. First of all, you have to plug in the power, and you look at the red light here. You see, now the subwoofer is plugged in, but because it's not connected, you see, and you see the light blinking. So when you take a look at the soundbar, you can see that the soundbar is on, Bluetooth ready, and you look at the subwoofer, you see that the LED is red, which is not supposed. Now, watch carefully how you can link it back to this soundbar. So you get a paper clip or a stick like this. Look at the soundbar, and you see this is the power, this is the source, and this is the volume. But most times this soundbar malfunction that this power serves as input and also serves as power. You see, it went off. And you have to tap it more times before it will come back on. So
welcome Bluetooth mode.
Welcome Bluetooth mode. Use the paper clip to press the link key here. You see, the light is blinking. Then you're supposed to hold source. Yeah, because of this thing is malfunctioning, you have to hold this key. You have to be fast while the light is blinking. Hold the source key. This can really be troublesome, but takes a lot of patience. Now, after a while of ups and downs, you can see that the light is green. That means the woofer is now linked to the bar. And the problem I faced was this and this. Instead of this serving as source, because it's some cheap brand, this is not serving as source. Rather, this power starts serving as power and source. So sometimes you press it, it serves as power, sometimes you press it, it serves as source. So I have to target and do everything to get it when it's on source and hold it down before the subwoofer light will turn green. And boom, we are good to go. Please subscribe if this is your first time watching my video. Subscribe for more tips like this. Thank you.